In this quick video, I am going to show you how to add audio to PowerPoint presentation. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. So adding audio in PowerPoint is really easy. For that, firstly select the slide where you want to insert your audio. So I want to insert my audio on my slide 1. So I'll select it, then tap on insert, and now from here we can click on audio. If you want to record your audio, then tap on record audio. I don't want to do it. I want to add an audio from my PC. So for that, I'll select audio on my PC. Once you select it, select your audio file from your computer. So I have this audio file. So I'll just select it, tap on insert, and there you go. I have successfully added the audio from my PC. If you want to play it, then you can tap on this play icon and it will play the audio from your computer to your slide. You can also adjust the playback settings of your audio. For that, tap on the playback from the top menu, and from here we can choose hide during show. Then it will hide the speaker icon during your slideshow. You can also play across slides. To play this audio across your all slides, you can also loop your audio until it stops by checking this icon. So this is the process to add audio in PowerPoint. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.